Are we waiting?
Okay. Hello? What?
Are we waiting for Marco or no?
We let's slowly get started. Yeah, we let me tell uh, 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 let me tell that we have got started. Okay. Okay. Okay.
But if anyone can write and tag Marco in the group in Telegram, it would be nice just to remind him. It seems to me that he was planning to come.
I did. Oh, he told it. Yeah. He told that Marco is coming, so Maxim is also here. Today's just give me 1 second. Okay, so let us get started. Yeah, we see Marco, Daniel, Maxim, everyone here. Who wants to volunteer? Last time it was Daniel, so probably this time, yeah, I see Marco. So Marco, could you please share your screen with the notebook so we can go through and do what we're supposed to do. So today's agenda is to create a report. So it will be the toy report.
Okay, just a few minutes I need.
Huh?
A question for the report. Are we supposed to do that in LaTeX, whatever you call it? Is that what you?
I have actually no idea. So it could be created in anywhere. So currently, there are 4 options. And I don't know which option is the most preferred. So the first option is the simplest one. When you create reports, it's just the comment cells with markup in the notebook. So in the Python notebook, there are 2 types of cells. One cell is the actual code, and another cell is a markup. So actually, the IPython notebook is a report. Option
Is
number.
markup, sorry, is markup some kind of some variety of markdown?
Yes, yeah. Of course, yeah, Markdown.
Because I've heard about markdown as a like an
MD.
editorial system. Yeah.
Let me share the with mhm. Let me share some
While you're sharing, let me just try to answer Nina's question. As far as I understand, the organizers expect a PDF file from you, so it actually doesn't matter which system you use, which editor. However, I believe that for formula, the most suitable is LaTeX.
I
For
totally
formulas,
agree with this.
because
Yes.
it's a programming language. Do you know it? Do you can you use it? I mean, do you know
Yeah,
this language?
yeah. I've used LaTeX multiple times.
Wonderful.
I'm
And
just
you can
wondering.
simply create an overleaf project and then share it with
Yeah.
your team, and everyone can make his contribution. I
Okay,
think that
perfect.
that's
Because
the
I
best
took a
option.
look on. Okay, perfect. Because I took a look on the website, there was a give an example of a report of the winning team from the previous competition, and I took a look at it, and I believe it was written in Latin, but I was just checking.
There is one more option. So it's if you are not really familiar with all the LATEX stuff, so you can just use Google Docs, and it has embedded LaTeX formulas and images and whatever, and it has a converter into PDF. But please don't use any kind of Word, OpenOffice, LibreOffice to create these reports. I believe that this could be the worst idea. So it adds up a lot of insufficient, not necessary data that you will be just struggling. Yeah. Oh, okay. So if the report is PDF, then option 1 and option 2 probably doesn't make sense. So option 1 is actually, I have just shared in the chat the very classical problem for machine learning. So it's a Titanic survival problem. And as you can see, so it is so actually what you can see, this is an IPython notebook, and there are two types of the cells. One type is just the code, and another type is the yeah, markdown, of course. Yeah, markup is from the different stuff. Okay, another option number 2 that is probably also not necessary is you just create the FIME README MD. So this is the typical this is a typical documentation and reports and how-tos that is a standard for GitHub and GitLab. So if you have the software, so the documentation for this software is supposed to be in this MD markdown format. Okay, number 3 is LaTeX itself. It's kind of hardcore and may take time, and this is not a VCVig. Well, okay. Personally, myself, I create mostly of the papers in LaTeX, but maybe this is not a good idea. And the fourth that I would definitely recommend to you is the combination, the how to say Chinese middle way. This is the Google Docs, so you type all the formulas in LaTeX, but you add the pictures as pictures, so you can immediately see what's going on, to adjust the size, to adjust the graphs, and so on and so on. Okay, so 4. Okay, so let's try to do it wherever you want. So let's get back to Marco. So Marco, could you please share your notebook that you have just published? Not just yesterday, I believe, published in the
From yesterday,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah, and we will try to create not actually a report, but it would be a report template. So this is a good idea. First, to figure out what is going to be in the report. So it's not to write down the report from the beginning to the end. So this is probably a bad idea. You may can. So the good idea is to set up the basic. The topics of the report, and the topics of the report are pretty standard. Yeah, by the way, we're waiting here for Andrei because he's definitely a professional of writing this stuff. So I have been okay, I just took part in some scientific conferences. So I send some thesis, but I do it very rarely.
Yeah, okay, here. Ready? Oh, it's good enough.
Okay, sounds very good.
So what am
Let's
I
look.
doing? No.
Okay. So actually, so let's first, as a task number one, let's figure out whether it is working or not. And see the animation and see whatever. Uh,
I mean, it
yeah,
works.
4, 5, 6. What's going on? Oh, what's going on with the green guy? So green
Uh,
is who? It's not
yeah,
moving?
for those few ticks, but I think it's like it just goes like right and then left. And if you
Okay, so let's create 50
for a few
times
times.
50 and let us change the frequency. So 50 times 50, it will be 2500. Yeah, 50.
Or
Update interval to 100. Good, run. Maybe too much.
yeah.
Okay, so you need
Yes.
to compile all
Yeah.
the upstream.
Okay. This.
Are you familiar with Doxygen documentation? Do you know what it is?
What? Dog?
Doxygen.
No.
Oxygen like gas, oxygen. And doxygen, just the letter D before. Doxygen. Doxygen. Yeah, exactly. Doxygen documentation. Yeah, Doxygen. Widely used documentation tool. Yes, 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 exactly. So you can use okay, so we'll be waiting forever for this, right? So stop it. Uh uh yeah, okay, not 50, 10. Run. Okay, okay. I wonder why so slow. Okay, no, why so slow? Are you running this on Collab, right?
Yeah.
Can you run it locally instead? Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Still, can you run it locally?
okay. I just need to open it from somewhere, I guess. It's in some logs.
Okay.
Boxing rabbit for one, maybe it's this one.
Oh, well, you can use Git here. So instead of
Yeah.
creating a lot of folders in your home directory, just one, because you don't actually need all the copies, so you need just the diffs. That's okay. Okay, good, good, good. Go ahead.
Uh,
Okay, not working. Mm,
first 7x7, but
Did you launch
finish the
this
core,
cell?
but
Yeah, you said you're
we
supposed to launch the code. Yes, here. Launch the code.
Um,
Huh? Yes, good.
uh,
It's
no.
not working. So wait, what's going on? So let's read the error message. FFmpeg is not available. Probably you need to install it.
What?
No. FFmpeg is not available.
Sorry, what library?
No.
Yeah.
Okay, copy this message to ChatGPT and try to fix this problem. Actually, solve this problem. By the way, you have 10% on your laptop. Do you have the charger?
Yeah, thanks for that. Here. Nice.
Okay, now better.
So what here?
Solve this problem.
Yeah, yes, I don't have something on my computer. I have to install.
Ask this guy. I believe you may not really install it, so you may just change the settings of the video stream or whatever. So, or just use another codec. I have no idea. Okay, tell him. Okay, I had this runtime error, but I want to see the video, but my video doesn't work. Make my video work. What's going on?
I first paste
Yeah,
the
yes.
error to him. Okay, nice.
Oh, look.
Nice.
Oh, you have MacBook. Okay.
Yeah.
I believe you should do sudo.
Yeah, this is in. No, so it isn't working here. Can you open a new?
You can. New window.
Where is? Oh, here. Okay, nice. What is it called?
FFmpeg. Good. No. Just FFmpeg. Run. Okay. Do you have good internet? It's going to download a lot. Okay. Ensure once you ensure, then probably the issue should be resolved and you should be able to generate. Oh, it may make time.
Oh, I guess it's almost over.
It's okay. So what is going on now? You are installing FFmpeg, but the problem is that FFmpeg has a ton of dependencies. So that's why it is installing this ton of dependencies, and then it's installing FFmpeg. But this look normal. So Ruby, code sign. Okay.
No.
Okay, anyway, so while this guy is working, let us create, so let's get back to the code, and yeah, Yeah, looks good. So how many ticks are there?
Like
30.
50.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let us open the new document that will be our report.
The
Just
one
a Google
you.
Doc. For example, or whatever, text editor,
Oh,
no problem.
uh,
I prefer Google Docs because you can easily put the images there. By the way, guys, I'm absolutely utter ignorant for creating reports. So actually, personally myself, I hate creating reports. So that's why I don't know how to do it. So that's why this is probably a bad idea to ask me how to teach to create the reports. So because I can share only my experience. Uh, Not sure this is relevant. But okay, I try to do my best. Anyway, okay, let's open the new Google Doc.
I'm just trying to figure out how to make a new Google Doc.
You
Say,
have a plus in... Imaš dole plusu.
Ne,
Eto. Bre, desni ga.
ja sam...
Desno.
To.
yeah, great.
Yeah, I covered it with the Zoom, so...
Okay, very good. So let's create the title for this Google Doc. So let's call it Foxes and Rabbits Report. So it's in the left, left, more left, where it is document без наслова, if I'm writing. Yeah, here, click. Okay, great. Foxes and rabbits. Great, report or whatever. Okay, now let's, okay, title, there should be Foxes and Rabbits report. When it was created, who created this? By the way, can you do the following? Can you copy paste your IPython notebook to ChatGPT and ask it to create the report? The entire.
The entire... Can you send him a file or...
The text.
Yeah, how to copy everything from here. So, command that is gonna work just for single cell. Yeah, let's go cell by cell.
Cell by cell. Okay, I want you to create a report on this program. What is going on? What problem does it solve? What is the result? And then we will be using this template to create a normal report. Please do not don't expect ChatGPT to do all the job for you. No, this is just a tool, a helper. So no more. But you can use this tool.
Oh, I didn't hold shift, but I guess it's okay for those first two things. So I sent the first two, this one. Then this.
Hmm?
This. Oh, There's okay, so he just told us what what we run in the code.
Mhm. Okay.
So
Oh, this is about the code. Say, no, no, no. I want the report for mathematical modeling competition. This is not a programming competition. So I understand that you don't have any statistics, but I want you to create a template that I may fill up with my data.
wait, so I want a template for my report, or
I want a template for the report for the mathematical modeling competition that is based on this code. Play with prompt engineering with ChatGPT. Actually, you can get a lot of it from it.
It might be your future job. Not maybe not you, but
Yeah, because programmers will
that job
be
already
outdated.
exists.
Yeah, prompt
Perfect.
engineering,
So
yes, this job already exists. True. And those guys have some big money. Say, I don't need the code explanation. Use this code to understand what is the problem. So I want I want this text for people who don't know programming. Treat it.
You can also maybe add that you should follow basic research
Yeah.
paper.
Yeah. Look. This is basic research paper. Experimentation, analysis, discussion, and future work. Conclusion. Okay. Now you can copy paste this.
nice.
Do you see?
Okay. Where's the docs here? So, and I need to adapt this.
Yeah. Great. Now fill it.
Okay. So, title is.
So let me first formulate. So imagine I'm the guy who's doing the problem statement. So the problem statement is you are given a problem where it is fox and it is a rabbit and they are moving randomly and the fox may chase the rabbit. Oh, actually the fox can eat the rabbit and the rabbit can eat the fox. So if they are on the if they're located on the same cell and first rabbit comes to the cell and then fox comes to the cell, then fox eats rabbit. If there is a fox and then rabbits comes to the cell, that rabbit eats fox. So explore this problem statement, create some dependencies, write some dependencies, and make conclusions. That makes sense? For example, how long is this game depends on the position, the original position of the fox and the rabbit. Okay. There should be many corner cases, a lot of infinite number of corner cases. For example, if you place the rabbit and the fox at the adjacent cells, so next to each other, uh, how how to say, what is the dependency of the median game time depends on the size of the field. So you always put fox on the play. Okay, fox is 0 0, a rabbit is 0 1, so they start. So what is the dependency of the median of the game depends on the aside. What if you place them randomly? What if you place them as far as possible? What if a rabbit can do 2 moves? What if can rabbit do 3 moves? What if there are 2 foxes and 1 rabbit? And so on and so on and so on. So first of all, you should figure out, you should formulate what questions do you think that they are important. Because the problem is open. You can explore it as far as you can, but you have limited time. So you should present your how to say, your skills as a scientist. So a scientist can explore anything, but you should pick up the problem. And this is not, does it mean that you should pick just low hanging fruit? So you solve the problem that are simpler, but you should solve the problem that are important. So please, you pick up the important problem, explain it, why it is important, solve it, provide a solution, provide a result, provide a conclusion. Does that make sense? And in the future work, there should be the option. There should be the part, the future work. So you may say, okay, in the future we can also explore this. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Good. Go ahead.
Yeah, so let's go. Let's begin with the
You
part.
should not do this by yourself. Explain this to ChatGPT and say, formulate the interesting problem for me.
Okay.
Don't struggle. Yeah. So explain in any words. Okay, I have the field and an N and fox and rabbit, and I want the nice mathematical problem for it that may make sense. Or, yeah. Here you are. You want too much.
What?
I mean, so of course, please provide me the details for the problem statement, including the context, objective, constraints, and other relevant information. Once I have the details, I'll be able to draft a problem statement for you. No, guy. You may write a problem statement for me without this full context. So take what you
Oh,
got.
so with you mean from the code or?
No, not from the code, from you. So explain to it. So, okay.
But do I have to explain what is the problem or?
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, I want to explain him what is the problem, and then he's gonna
Yes.
write the
Yeah.
statement.
Yeah. So you want it to do the job for you. So it's like they're training a puppy. So, okay, sit, stay, don't do this, or something like this. So train this puppy to do the job for you.
So we are trying to formulate our own questions that we are going to explore, right?
Yes, exactly. In a good shaped form, in a solvable form, in the form that has the answer.
Then first we have to write a problem statement.
Good.
Uh,
Write the problem
then
state. Tell it.
approach. The what you said was the approach. I mean, here. So I'm now trying to explain him a statement, and then he's gonna formulate it.
Go ahead.
I have a question. On the
Yes.
actual competition, are we supposed to write the actual problem formulation? Because we are going to be given an exact problem to solve, and also we have a limited number of pages.
I
So,
don't think so that you have to write down the actual problem formulation, but
yeah.
the importance of doing this probably is that the problem formulation could be pretty open, pretty wide. So from the problem, you should formulate the distinct tasks. So okay, so this is a problem formulation. I have decomposed this problem into certain tasks, and each task was decomposed into some certain jobs. So,
Yeah, okay, just
and
breaking
then,
it down. Okay, perfect.
yeah,
Thank
yeah,
you.
just breaking it down. So the most important part, or the most important attribute, characteristic, property of the report is that the report is completed. Small and bad completed reports much better than a very big but uncompleted. So a part of good thing is worse than the full bad thing. Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, very, very, very good, very good. Yeah. Nice.
Okay.
Okay, work with this guy. You do good. You may ask him what pictures, what graphs do you need to enrich your report? What statistics could be used? So please, it will not draw the graphs because it doesn't have it, but it definitely will give you good advice. What graphs are the most representative? Explore the dynamic interaction between the folks and their.
Yes, those interactions are when they
What do you mean
they
dynamic?
hit
And
each
ask him.
other.
What do you mean dynamic interaction? They do not interact. They just randomly move.
Yeah.
Investigate. Yeah. So there is no patterns of movement. It's random. Random. Diffusion. Or maybe should we do it less random? Should we do it more random? Hmm. You may say if fox steps on a rabbit first, then fox eats the rabbit. If a rabbit steps on a fox, then yeah, okay, very good. Copy paste, copy paste,
Just this or
everything. Yeah, title, problem statement, objective, conclusions. Copy paste. Remove everything else.
what do you mean by everything else? This here or
Starting from the cursor to the end of the document. Yes. Just kill it. Okay, great. So now we have the problem statement. The rabbit moves randomly, one cell at a time, to two cells at a time. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT and say, okay, let's work more precisely with the problem statement. What illustrations do you suggest? Do we need any pictures, or is it okay with no pictures? For the problem statement. No, not for this report. It will tell you
For
a lot.
problem,
Okay, here you are. Grid visualization. Use color-coded symbols or icons. Yeah, it tells you everything. You should just read it.
told you. Yeah, I forgot the statement. Nice.
Okay, grid
Terrible.
visualization.
Yeah, okay, so we have a grid visualization.
Copy-paste.
See. I mean, this here
Here it
will
is.
also.
Yeah?
Okay, so can I?
Yes, you can.
Yes, I can't. No, I open it in Find.
So there must be in Google Docs, just paste here in problem statement. Okay.
And let's see where is.
Okay, I have no idea how Mac is working. Okay, I have Linux. So, okay, so the challenge is
Okay.
to insert the picture. Yeah. So insert the picture in the problem set and create the figure. Oh, good. But we probably need it smaller, probably
And not
even more smaller. Yeah, and you should create this picture as a character. So there is anchor in the how to say. Do you see the three dots to the right? Yeah, here. Okay, great. Press right button, right mouse button.
Press what?
I believe the first one, if I
Okay.
do understand Serbian correctly. Veličina, yes, this one.
Yeah, size.
Yeah. Oh, no. So you need an anchor. So how you interpret what the second one? I can't read it. Prilagocha. Yeah, okay. Probably the second one. Yes.
Or
Uh,
it's an adaptation or
can you ask ChatGPT in Serbian how can I anchor the image to the Google Docs if I want to interpret it as a character? You can talk to ChatGPT in Serbian language.
Isn't it a character right now? I mean, it seems that it's
No, it
inside
is
the
not.
text.
I believe
How do you
that
want it to behave? What behavior do you want of the picture? Do you want it to be inside the text?
no. I want it to be as a symbol. I want to this picture to be a symbol, just a single symbol.
To do what with it?
To adjust it, to put it anywhere, to copy paste it, to resize. So it should be not the float. It should be a single symbol.
I mean it is. I can't move it now anywhere.
Yeah. So move it. Move it to the and let us create the appropriate how to say the appropriate title for this figure. So say figure 1 the spawn position of the rabbit and fox. Rabbit is green, and its position is this, and the this is 10 times 10. So this is problem after the problem statement. So let's illustrate it in several grids. So one grid will be 10 10, and another grid will be, for example, 5 5. Good. Yeah, great. Hmm. Yeah, very good, very good.
Crap.
Even better. By the way, you may copy, I believe you may copy exactly from the IPython notebook. So actually what you have drawn is an image. So you may not do screenshots. Just click right.
Oh,
Yeah. That makes sense?
nice.
Exactly.
Okay.
So you don't need screenshots probably.
Yeah,
So
I'll delete that now.
yeah, align it to the center and
Then
okay. Say something good.
wait, is it working? Is this working now? Should I run it now? Yeah.
So that's why what I'm saying, when you will be
Oh, it's
doing
working now.
mathematical,
Nice.
yeah, good, good, good. When you are doing mathematical modeling nowadays, probably it is good to do it in here in Python, because you already, first of all, you have the pictures and you have the graphs, and it is extremely easy to create. That's number one. Number two is that you can adjust and you can create your code one by one. And number three, that is really bad, and this is not good, that Python is extremely slow compared to normal languages. So if you need real mathematical model, of course use C or NVCC. It will be even faster. So Python is for modeling, it's for toys, games, it's not for real work.
Yeah.
Okay, does it make sense? Let's go to the document because unfortunately I have only 10 minutes and then, yeah, okay. So let's go to the next section. So this is the title and this is the abstract.
Well,
No, in the document.
yeah, no,
Uh,
I just want to see what it is. Uh,
yeah. Experimental model development, yes. Implementations. Well, ChatGPT is very distinct and is very narrowed down to the software. Uh, but modeling is not a software. It may be not a software. It may be just clear math without a software. The important stuff, so explain the experiment conducted to validate the models. Well, here, present the result obtained from simulation or experiments. Great. Analyze the finding and draw conclusions. Okay, so experimentation and analysis. The results obtained from simulation. Findings and conclusions. So just get it from here and put it there.
like those three, or and then
Okay, yeah.
I'm gonna write something.
So let's start. Yeah, here it is. Here, yeah. Okay.
Just model
So the
them.
model was developed in Python. Whatever. Nobody cares what the model is about and how it works. Everyone is interested only in beautiful pictures, and nobody wants to read some boring text.
So I guess
Pictures,
that was the
animations,
picture of
good.
wall code, or
No code, please, no
Oh,
code.
no,
Please, absolutely. So, by the way, guys, so when you will be participating in the real context, in your report, there should be zero code, no code at all. But there should be the link to your code. So if you can create your code in GitHub or somewhere else, there should be a possibility to read your code, but there should be no code in your report at all. So in your report, there should be pictures, graph, and text. That's it. And links to the external
What
resources. So if
about
you can
math?
create math formulas.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys, unfortunately, I really have to go because I have 5 minutes to the important stuff. So the homework for the weekend until for the next Tuesday, we'll be create a report on foxes and rabbit in this context. Does that make sense? So could you please share your foxes and rabbit report template here so you can there
In
should be
this
the
by
share.
template or
No, the document itself.
okay.
Yeah, so this is the start of this document. So you may save it, and there is a you
You
can
can simply move it to the folder which is shared to all of us,
yeah,
or
exactly.
you can put all our email addresses here.
Mm-hmm.
Which one is easier?
Or
Or you
No
can
you
send
can
it.
just say that
Send the
that anybody with a link can have access to
yeah,
it, and then just give us the link.
yeah. That's the simplest thing.
Yeah.
Stavato Salintum. I see these Serbian phrases for the first time. I mean, I never used Google Docs on Serbian. Quite
yeah.
funny.
Yeah, just check if it works. Yeah. Can you open it?
Yes, I see it and I can open it. Yeah, that's great. Oh, okay. So, looks great. Uh, let us do. Could you please create the report based on the notebook and based on this report template? And it would be great to look at this report. On Tuesday. And on Tuesday, the agenda would be, well, depending on what we have, it will be either adjusting the report, or if the report is great, we will be continuing our exploration. For example, let fox be less random. So if a fox can see the rabbit, it can attack the rabbit. Uh, and adjust the report. Does that make sense? So you create the simple job, you create the simple report, and then you do it in parallel. You do the job, you do the report, and you keep the versions. So you can always roll back to any previous revision. Does that make sense? So this
Yeah.
is not a write-only thing. So this is a living document. Okay. Okay, so see you on Tuesday.
Yes,
I believe it would
at
be
what
an
time on
hour.
Tuesday?
What?
At what time on Tuesday, right?
Yes, at what time on Tuesday? An hour ago. So for me, it will be 10 a.m. and probably for you, it would be 7 p.m., right?
Yeah.
So today we have started at 8, so next Tuesday we're going to start at 7. Okay. Oh, guys, by the way, just a stupid question. When you will go to the conference, what will be the language you will be talking? So everything should be presented in English, or
Yeah,
it could
English.
be
In
Yes.
Turkish. The language will be Turkish.
Turkish? Okay,
English, of
good.
course.
You can do both. Okay, yeah. So it could be probably in this case you definitely need some presentation practicing in English. So because so as for me, so English is not my native language, so that's why I always do practicing. Okay. Okay, so see you on Tuesday at 7 p.m. And please do this report and share it. So you can, let's practice doing the reports. Okay, so see you on Tuesday. Yeah, bye-bye.
Yeah,
See you.
thank you, Alexei. Thank you all.
Goodbye.
You're welcome.
Bye bye.